Well, we have a special birthday party for two of my great-granddaughters. One of them is Brooklyn and the other one is Braxton. Oh my gosh, didn't their mother and father go all out? And the whole family chipped in to make it to be a wonderful, wonderful party. And you are going to be amazed at the things you will see that they did together to make this a wonderful day for my two great-granddaughters, Braxton and Brooklyn, and they had a wonderful time for this wonderful occasion. And of course, they had some really special guests that showed up for this party. So please try to watch a little more than a few seconds, for you don't miss the special guests that showed up. And here is one. Didn't she look wonderful? So sweet and friendly. All three sisters were there, and oh, do they know how to put the spookiness in Halloween. Oh, didn't they all look great? And look at the birthday girls next to them, and a few of their relatives. A lot of cousins showed up for this party. They had a great time. Oh, was it fun? Everyone had a wonderful time. It's a pretty long video, so I had to divide it up into 3 sections. So I hope you are going to see and enjoy all 3. Look at all the wonderful fun everyone had. Lots of picture taking in this video and lots of things to share. So please stay tuned and see what beautiful cake was brought for this special occasion. And it was made by a very special witch, and you can tell how much she enjoyed the children. The big smiles she gave them all and showed them such a beautiful cake. Didn't she do a great job putting it together?
That's me right here. Winifred. You like Sarah?
Plenty of food and
I am totally gonna put a spell on you.
And that's you.
that's
you.
Yes, Winifred. I'm the best.
And this one,
That no, Mary's coming. I heard that Mary will be here later with Sarah.
He's here.
No, that's just a regular witch.
Go.
That's a basic witch.
A few more pictures in a few minutes.
Jamie can do like the whole face.
You guys are doing great. This is so cute.
There's sandwiches. I just put that over his flies.
I just noticed the signs.
Chris freaking got me pretzels for the spiders.
Hi guys!
I didn't even have
So
to
happy you
pay
came
him.
for the
They just showed
party.
up like this.
Yeah,
Awesome.
we paid her.
I smell children. I didn't talk to you. Me? Yeah.
Uh-oh, what'd you do? About a Huggy Wuggy birthday cake.
Oh.
Okay. But it's his birthday's actually on Christmas Eve, though. It's a hard one. That's what I tried to remember. So if you want to make it a day, you want to make it a couple days before, I don't mind. Well, I love Hocus Pocus. You want what? Huggy Wuggy. I know the movie inside
Did a
out.
great job. Well, here's the birthday girls, Braxton and Brooklyn, with their mom and dad. They are such a wonderful family, as you can see, and mom and dad always try to do their best to give their girls the best they can. And they went really all out for this birthday party, and the whole family pulled together as a family should to make sure this was a birthday party they will always remember. And Grandma used up all the power on her tablet to make sure there'll be a good memory of this party on my YouTube channel for them to see for years to come. Now, I ran out of power on my tablet and on me, so believe it or not, as much video as you're going to see, I couldn't shoot all the video I should have shot because I didn't have any more energy. But there's going to be at least 3 or 4 videos altogether, and we'll do the best we can with what we have. I hope you enjoy the video of Hocus Pocus birthday party for Braxton and Brooklyn. Oh my gosh, they're such cute girls. And there is Dustin. Isn't he a cutie? He belongs to my other grandson, John, and his wife, Chelsea. Another awesome couple that you're going to get to meet today, too. And oh my, I have a large family, as you can see. And this one here is always wanting to show off, as you can tell. And he's teaching his children to be just like him, as you're going to see. They love to show off all their talents. And he loves to teach them all the bad little habits that you tell your children don't do. Don't stick your tongue out at great grandma, but as you can see, they're all sticking their tongue out at me, letting me see it's cute and pink and they are not sick. They're too tough to get sick. They are the little sweethearts of my heart. They are always doing something cute and funny, and they always give me lots of love when I see them. I never have to ask them twice for kisses and hugs. Here's some more of my well, they're not my they're my granddaughters, as you can see. They're as pretty as can be, and they all got over here and helped together to decorate for this party. This family stays together and works together as a team to make sure everything is a special event over here. I thought they did a wonderful job decorating. What do you think? And they did a great job putting a great table together for food also. It was fun. And there's Grandma trying to give a little attitude with her granddaughter. What do you think? Well, you can tell I still don't feel good. I'm still getting over being sick. But the rest of the family looked like they were doing great and no problems with them. And as you can see, we even got Grandpa, and we even got in the background, we even had John, if you saw it for a second. He just disappeared out of sight, didn't he? Oh well, he'll be back again in a few minutes. Oh, there's John. I told you he'd be back, and there's Chelsea, his wife. Aren't they a wonderful couple? And they have a wonderful son called Dustin. You'll see him occasionally popping into focus. He's an active little boy, and he never slows down. And there he is, Dustin, Brooklyn and Braxton. Oh, my great little witches, aren't they? Super cute little kids. Love them to pieces. Well, what do you think of my family? I thought we did pretty good. Like I said, I didn't get all the pictures of all the family that were there, if you can believe it. I just ran out of energy, couldn't do any more. But we did the best we could with what we had. Hopefully next year Grandma will feel better, and maybe I should get a second tablet to make sure I don't miss any photo ops. Aren't those kids so cute? I just love them. And here's the girls together again, taking little selfies for they can put up on their Facebook pages probably. You know I don't do Facebook, so everything you're going to see on mine is going to be on YouTube. Well, what do you think? Aren't they the cutest things? Oh well. Grandma makes sure that all of her children marry into wonderful genes, and we have wonderful looking family members. And that's how we have so many great looking great grandchildren too.